Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be playing with a new palette to me, which is the ColourPop Tinkerbell palette. This is their Sprinkle a Little Magic eyeshadow palette. Comes with a lot of green eyeshadows and some like everyday tones. Such a beautiful palette. This is the palette that I have on the eyes today. I also use a couple of old favorites. It's just other makeup products that I really love and enjoy that I really want to recommend to you guys. So if you want to see what I use on the face and what I thought of the eyeshadow palette, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like Drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you like the video, if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows. I use both of my favorite products, which is the Amuse brow pencil in dark brown and the AOA Studio Wonder Brow. As you guys know, I've been raving about these as of lately. I love how they just make my eyebrows look, so this is what I used on the brows. Also, I went ahead and cleaned them up and also primed the lid with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and this is a new one from Ulta, and this is the one in medium beige. This is just a staple product. I need it in my collection again. It's such a beautiful concealer. I love how it blends out. I love how full coverage it is. It's such a gem, and it's definitely something that I had to repurchase as soon as possible. For eyeshadow today, I have the ColourPop Tinkerbell palette, and this is the Sprinkle a Little Magic palette. I had these products for a while. As you guys know, I did a whole ColourPop haul video for my birthday where my boyfriend purchased a lot of like different ColourPop palettes, including this one and the Barbie one, and those are going to be other palettes that I use in different videos, but this is the one that we're using today, the Tinkerbell one. Here's a look at the palette. It's so stunning. And there's a look at the inside. It's such a beautiful palette. I just recently did a green look when I did the Metamorphosis collection video. I used their Lily Croaks palette and it is so stunning. And I think I'm going to get a similar look with this palette, but we're going to see. And we're going to see how these mattes blend and stuff. I haven't really used any ColourPop palettes lately, so let's see how this goes. I'm just going to go ahead and dip into Sleep, which is that light green. And I'm just going to start packing that on, kind of blowing it out as well since it is a lighter tone. I'm taking Awake, which is this dark green shade. I'm just going to pack this on out here. I am getting a little bit of patchiness on this eye for some reason, so I don't know what's going on. Like, it isn't sticking to this section here. Hope you guys could see that because it's very obvious. In person, you can definitely tell that it's missing. So I'm just going to start blending with that green. Next, I'm taking the shade Pixie Dust, which is that light green. I'm just going to kind of tap it low on the lid. I don't want to take it too high. All right, next I'm taking my Artista liquid liner, and this one is in green from Amuse, and I'm just gonna create a wing. For a mascara, I have the Ioni Volumizing Black Mascara from the 99-cent store, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. For face primer, I'm taking my e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer all over the face, and then a little bit of this product in the inner portions of the face. What am I saying? And then a little bit of this product in the inner portions of the face. This is the High Maintenance Poreless Face Filter from Italia Deluxe. And then this one on the inner portions. I did have like a blemish here that's just like transformed into a red dot for some reason, so yeah. Next, taking my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and this one is in the shade Medium 330W. I'm also taking a couple of cream products. The first one is my EBIN NY Contour and Glow Stick. This one here is in the shade Bronze Brown. Next, taking my Metamorphosis Blushing Bubbles Liquid Blush. This one here is in the shade Emotion. I may have over applied it, which is what I say every single time I apply liquid blush, but it'll come together. I just need to blend it in with my sponge. I'm taking the Malibu Glitz liquid highlight again. Still testing this out. I just used it in a recent video, but I really want to get a feel for it. Taking the 16-hour concealer from e.l.f. Next, taking my Italia Deluxe Luxe Color Corrector Powder, and this does have a smooth matte finish, and this one has been really nice. It does come with a couple of colors in here. I just used it in a recent video as well, and this one's in 01 Flawless. Taking that on my sponge, I'm just going to set the under eyes. To bronze up the skin, I'm taking the City Color Be Matte Bronzer that's in my Shop My Stash for the month of December. Such a beautiful color. And I'm just going to take this all over like the perimeters of the face. Next, taking my Muse 2-in-1 Blush and Highlights, and this one is in number 3. I'm going to go ahead and blush up the skin with that shade as well as highlight. Next, I'm going to set the face using the Beauty Creations Tropical Setting Spray before I go on to lips. It feels so good and it smells so good. Lastly, I'm taking my EBIN NY Secret of Pharaoh eyeliner in brown. It's an eyeliner and lip liner. And lastly, taking the Simpsons and Revolution liquid lipstick, and this one is just the Donut Head Homer. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know down below what was your favorite product from today's video. Now, we didn't really use a lot of new things in today's video. Everything has been things that I've been using, specifically like the liquid lip is so amazing. I definitely want to recommend this to you guys. And also the lip liner, it was literally $1 from EBIN NY. They're really creamy and really easy to apply. So lip products, 10 out of 10. Now the eyeshadow palette from ColourPop was really nice. I really like the look that we created. However, the process of it was really interesting because that dark green did get patchy on the outer part of this eye, whereas on this side it blended really nicely. So I don't know what was going on with that, but something to keep in mind. I don't know, but eventually it did blend out. So if you do keep working with it, it will blend out eventually, but it did take a little bit of finessing. But other than that, I really like the look that I created. I'm definitely going to reach for this often. I already know I love using green eyeshadow, so this is definitely a palette that I'm going to have in rotation. With that, we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a little makeup finds from Drugstore High End, so if they're interested, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.